CIMC is a multinational group engaged in diversified business in global logistics and energy industries. In these 40 years, CIMC has extended its businesses from containers to fields such as vehicles, energy, chemical and liquid food equipment, offshore and airport facilities. It has created over 30 world-leading products in Asia, Europe, North America, and Australia. Over 60,000 employees in CIMC who uphold the philosophy of customer success are dedicated to continuously providing innovative products, services, and solutions for customers from more than 100 countries and regions worldwide. Today's CIMC stands at the leading edge of global logistics and energy industries and is committed to enhancing the operation efficiency of the world's logistics and energy. CIMC is constantly creating a safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly lifestyle for human beings. Containers, as one of the greatest inventions ever created by human beings, have changed the world with the idea of standardization. As a global leader in the container industry, CIMC has participated in the boom of global trades, has provided superior dry containers, reefer containers, and special containers, and it has extended the idea to cold chain equipment, energy storage equipment, automated parking system, which helps global customers boost logistics efficiency and reduce costs. In addition, we have creatively integrated container manufacturing experience with ideas of modularization, creating a revolutionary building form, modular building. By virtue of its technological superiority in factory prefabrication and modular ocean shipping, the modular building not only greatly shortens construction period, but also it is more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. That's why it is so popular among customers around the world. Fast-growing global trading can't be achieved without the guarantee of transport. We have managed to expand our dream of enhancing the world's logistics efficiency from the maritime to the land transport. After the fast-developing stage in more than 20 years, CIMC Vehicles has become a leader in semi-trailer industry around the world. From China to North America, Europe, CIMC Vehicles integrates technology and intelligence from over 30 manufacturing bases and R&D centers worldwide, establishes a well-developed global supply chain system, and an operation system that features operating across multiple oceans while manufacturing in the local. Builds high-end manufacturing with the light tower plants, improves product quality and production efficiency, and reshapes the competitive landscape of global semi-trailer industry. At the intersection of development trends of both logistics and energy industries, CIMC has succeeded in predicting and grasping historic opportunity. In 2007, CIMC put ENRIC as a business platform to integrate the European leading industrial resources and entered the green energy, chemical environment, and liquid food equipment industries to provide customers with key equipment of transportation, storage and processing, engineering services, and systematic solutions. Now, in Asia, Europe, and North America, CIMC ENRIC has established 20 manufacturing bases and R&D centers. Benefiting from such a proactive industrial layout, CIMC ENRIC keeps abreast with the high-speed development of natural gas while actively expanding the hydrogen energy business, and has established the product and service system for the whole industrial chain of natural gas and hydrogen energy. Over the last few years, CIMC ENRIC's tank containers, high-pressure gas storage and transportation equipment, and low-temperature liquid storage and transportation equipment have been ranking top top worldwide in terms of the production and sales volume, and it features world-leading turnkey service capacity for brewery projects. With technological advancement, people have turned their targets for energy seeking, from the land to the most dangerous dark blue sea. By now, CIMC Offshore has grown to be one of the world's leading offshore equipment suppliers. Its main products include drilling rigs, FPSO, special ships, offshore fishing equipment, and offshore clean energy equipment. We provide innovative equipment and solutions for the sustainable development of marine resources. Over the years, CIMC has successfully delivered hundreds of offshore equipment of various types, which have been demonstrated by our platforms that are operating in the South China Sea, Brazil Sea, Gulf of Mexico Sea, Norwegian North and other mainstream waters in the world. In the South China Sea, the Blue Whale Series, an ultra-deepwater drilling platform designed and built by CIMC independently, has made remarkable contributions to China's successful pilot production of submarine combustible ice as the core drilling equipment. As the core drilling equipment for bearing heavy responsibility, has set several world records and attracted the attention of the industry. The platform has been praised as one of the pillars of China. CIMC is also a global leading airport facilities supplier. With its business covering more than 300 civil airports in the world, at present, its AeroBridge ranks #1 around the world in comprehensive strength, and airport ground-based devices and automatic parking system are also highly recognized by global customers. As urbanization is accelerating on a global scale, there is a growing demand for firefighting service. CIMC has integrated German and Chinese fire rescue equipment enterprises to become a world's leading fire rescue group with a complete product range. Ziegler, under CIMC, is a leading international manufacturer of firefighting and rescue equipment. By virtue of outstanding quality manufactured in Germany, Ziegler's products, including urban and airport fire trucks, have gained worldwide reputation. CIMC owns a worldwide logistics network system in the fields of multimodal transport, container yard operation, and professional logistics. We superpose the Internet thinking and intelligent information systems, improving the quality and efficiency of our logistic services to customers. With outstanding capabilities covering returnable packaging design, manufacture, and operation service. We are dedicating to diminish the disposable packages in various industries, such as automobiles, chemicals, new energy, modern agriculture, and commodities. Through circulation, intelligence, and digitalization, we are working on a safer, efficient, and green supply chain with great significance on carbon emission reduction. Guided by the Industry Plus Finance strategy, we capitalize on CIMC's industrial experience and resources, leverage CIMC Finance and CIMC Factoring as platforms, and commit to providing financial services of industrial chain finance, interbank finance, and receivable financing and management, so as to increase operational efficiency and performance of customers' funds and support their business expansion. Meanwhile, we actively integrate internal and external resources and establish CIMC Capital to manage industrial funds of CIMC and to provide financial support for CIMC's strategic emerging business and facilitate industrial transformation and upgrading. Technological innovation is not just our pursuit, but also the core driving force of CIMC's high-quality development, focusing on developing new era technologies such as big data, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. We are incorporating these technologies into high-end manufacturing and intelligent products. Each and every one of our innovations is aimed at enhancing production efficiency and optimizing product experience, as well as tackling the challenges facing society and industries. Through industrial transformation, CIMC has not only reshaped traditional manufacturing, but also ushered in a greener and smarter industrial future. From land to sea, from logistics equipment to energy equipment, and from manufacture to service, CIMC people who are relentlessly pursuing self-improvement and excellence are seeking change and innovation in order to fully create new value for customers in different industries.
Looking ahead to the new era, CIMC will continue our success story with the spirit of starting a new undertaking, creating champion products to contribute to a better society, building a great grand projects to achieve the glorious dream, and striving to become a respected global leading enterprise.
CIMC is confident in growing to be a world-class, high-quality, and respected enterprise. To continue our success,